how to pay using Shipt credits at checkout. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide on how to do so when you place an order with Shipt. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So first of all, we can just head over to Chrome or any other browser and log into shipt.com. You can also open up the Shipt application and go to our account. So in order to view our account, we can look out for our menu option in the top left and select it. And within there, basically go ahead and look out for the option called wallet. Go ahead and look out for wallet option here, drop down account, look out for wallet and drop it down and view it up. And here it will show all of the available credits earned from promotions, gift cards, referrals, etc. So if you already view your credit balance here, your credit, Shipt credits, you can just go and view it up and you can choose the groceries or the other eligible items that you want to buy and add it to cart. Look out for the plus option in order to add it to cart and you can proceed with checkout. For that, look out for the cart option in the top right and click on it. And within there, basically go ahead and look out for view cart and proceed with the cart section. Here we'll be finding a checkout section. We can tap on checkout, click on it, and we can proceed with the checkout process. So again, once again, click on checkout and then head over. You can just go and check out when you're ready to place your order. So here on this checkout page, usually if you have Shipt credit, it will show you, right under the total amount, it will show you, that will appear as Shipt credit applied in green and automatically reduce your order cost. You do not need to manually select them. Shipt applies them for as long as credit are available. And you can just go and place order and confirm it up. And Shipt credits won't cover delivery fees, service fees, or tips. They only reduce the cost of the items themselves. And credits can be converted to Shipt passes or withdrawn as cash. You can just go over and check it out. And that is it, everybody. This is how you should be able to apply it up. So therefore, we hope this video was helpful to you, and give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.